Sometimes, having a big dream is the biggest mistake of your life.
People will laugh at your poverty, and they will destroy your beautiful dreams. Your ideas are nothing! Into the trash! Stamp them out! No more dreams!
I lost my job. I lost my home. And I was completely alone in the cold rain.
Watch my full story to see how a poor, hopeless mechanic changed his destiny. This is my moment.
Welcome to my life. My name is Sam. I work as a poor mechanic every single day. This small, dirty garage is my current workplace. I fix broken cars for wealthy people from morning until night.
I want to design my own futuristic electric supercar. These glowing sketches are coming alive with possibility. My vision is transforming into reality.
Every night after closing, I practice building my own engine.
This special electric battery is my greatest invention.
Get out of my workshop right now, you little sneak! I know what you were trying to do!
I walked alone in the cold rain, with nothing left.
I had no money, no home, and no future plans.
It's raining so hard.
Don't worry, Sam. I'm here.
Thank you. It's so warm.
Here, take some light.
Here you go, son. Some hot food.
Thank you, sir.
It's going to be all right.
He gave me some hot food and smiled at me.
That's right. Enjoy.
He told me that he owned an old scrapyard nearby.
Wow, you own all this?
I do. Let me show you around.
Yes, please. It looks amazing.
There's a lot to see.
He offered me a free place to live and work.
Really, it's amazing.
It's all yours now, son.
Thank you. My hopeless heart filled with incredible joy again.
I started collecting old recycled metal pieces every morning. I built the strong chassis of my dream car slowly.
I connected all the electric wires perfectly myself. There, that should do it.
Months passed away, but I never stopped working hard.
I added futuristic glowing wheels to complete the look. Time to tighten these bolts. Almost done with the rear. After one long year of struggle, everything was finished. I was finally ready to show my creation to the world.
My old friend was very proud of my dedication.
He would be proud of you.
And I'm so proud of you, Sam.
Look at this beauty. My secret supercar was born. Yes, it's alive and glowing. I can't believe I built this.
Welcome to the Grand International Automotive Exhibition. The future is here.
Darling, look at this Aurora. It's perfection.
Indeed. The engineering is revolutionary.
The design is from a famous inventor.
Buyers from everywhere are here for it.
I drove my incredible electric supercar inside the hall slowly. The unique design and glowing neon lights amazed everybody.
This car is incredible. May I? The craftsmanship is outstanding, truly innovative. The aerodynamics are perfect. This has great potential. Sam, your electric car is absolute perfection.
Really, thank you.
We're going to change the world together.
I can't wait.
Sam, I'm offering you a massive millions-dollar business contract right now.
Wow, really? Thank you.
Just sign here, and it's yours.
I can't believe it. This is amazing.
Suddenly, I became a world-famous car creator overnight.
Sam, over here! How'd you do it?
I just started tinkering, and it took off.
Welcome to the next generation of automotive excellence. Sam? Surprised to see me, boss? What happened?
My difficult days were over, and my victory arrived!
What have I done? I can't believe this. This is all my fault.
A few months later, my old boss lost his entire business.
He became very poor because of his extremely bad attitude. Meanwhile, I opened the biggest automated car factory in the country.
One day, my old boss visited my factory looking for work.
He cried and apologized deeply for hurting my dreams before.
I smiled at him and forgave his past mistakes completely.
I gave him a respectable job inside my new company.
I shared my massive success with the people who helped me.
Never stop believing in yourself, because hard work always wins.